Let's check the news from AWS. Amazon AppStream 2.0 users can now save their user preferences between streaming sessions. This enables users to maintain consistent settings across multiple streaming sessions, eliminating the need for manual readjustments. The saved preferences include audio, video, regional settings, and streaming mode, as well as macOS keyboard mappings. With this new feature, users can customize and save their AppStream 2.0 client preferences, providing a more efficient and streamlined experience when accessing applications through the service. Amazon EC2 instances now support bandwidth configurations for VPC and EBS. With this feature, customers can adjust the available bandwidth by up to 25% for one or both services on their EC2 instances. When increasing the bandwidth for VPC, the available bandwidth for EBS is reduced accordingly. This means that customers have more control over their resources, allowing them to optimize their workloads better. For storage and data analytics workloads, increased VPC bandwidth can improve performance when replicating data or reading and writing data from services like Amazon Simple Storage Service. Similarly, for database workloads backing up data to EBS, customers can increase the bandwidth allocation to improve querying and logging performance. This flexibility is available on C8G, M8G, R8G, and X8G platforms in all AWS commercial regions, at no additional cost. To learn more about configuring bandwidth for VPC and EBS on Amazon EC2 instances, please refer to the EC2 user guide. AWS Elemental Media Connect Gateway now supports source-specific multicast, offering greater flexibility, security, and efficiency in workflows. This new feature allows you to specify both a multicast group address and an optional source IP address when creating or updating Media Connect Gateway bridge sources. By specifying a source IP address, you can pull content from specific senders and filter unwanted traffic. This enhances control over your network and ensures that only trusted sources are receiving and transmitting content. As a result, it improves security by only allowing content to be received from specified IP addresses. The use of source-specific multicast also enables more efficient bandwidth use as network switches replicate data only when needed. This reduces the amount of unnecessary traffic on the network, making it more efficient and cost-effective. To learn more about enabling source-specific multicast for Media Connect Gateway, please visit the AWS Elemental Media Connect Gateway documentation page. AWS Resource Explorer now supports 59 new resource types, including Access Analyzer, Airflow, Environment, Amplify, Apps/Branches, Amplify, Apps/Domains, AppFlow, Flow, and many others. This release adds support for Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service, Amazon Kendra, AWS Identity and Access Management Access Analyzer, and Amazon SageMaker. AWS Cloud Map now supports service-level attributes, enabling you to store and access information directly at the service level. This feature allows you to register key-value attributes directly at the service level, which were previously stored at the instance level or retrieved through ad hoc channels. You can use this feature to discover resources using service-level attributes for various use cases, such as complex traffic routing, setting timeout and retry values, and coordination between services and external integrations. This capability helps you avoid duplicating service-level information across instances, simplifying retrieval, updates, and deletion without requiring changes to individual instances. This new feature in AWS Cloud Map provides a simple API call for your applications to store and retrieve important service-level information, such as traffic weights during deployments. AWS has announced the opening of a new AWS Direct Connect location within the Telehouse OS2 data center in Osaka, Japan. This new location provides private, direct access to all public AWS regions, AWS GovCloud regions, and AWS local zones. By connecting your network to AWS at this new location, you can establish a private, physical network connection between AWS and your data center, office, or colocation environment. These private connections can provide a more consistent network experience than those made over the public internet. The new Direct Connect location at Telehouse OS2 offers dedicated 1G, 10 gigabits per second, and 100 gigabits per second connections with MASEC encryption available. This is the second AWS Direct Connect site within the Osaka metropolitan area and the fifth site in Japan. Amazon DynamoDB announces support for FIPS 140-3 interface VPC and streams endpoints. Amazon DynamoDB now offers single-digit millisecond performance at any scale with its serverless, NoSQL, fully managed database capabilities. With the introduction of FIPS 140-3 interface endpoint support, companies can use AWS Private Link with DynamoDB for regulated workloads that require a secure connection using a FIPS 140-3 validated cryptographic module. This new capability is available in AWS regions in the United States and as well as the AWS GovCloud regions. FIPS-compliant endpoints help companies contracting with the federal government meet the FIPS security requirement to encrypt sensitive data in supported regions. Amazon Redshift supports auto and incremental refresh of materialized views for zero-ETL integrations. This feature eliminates the need for full refreshes, which previously required re-executing underlying select statements and rewriting all data in the MV. As a result, organizations handling high-volume, dynamic datasets can now access near real-time insights while significantly reducing their operational workload. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more. Hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and, if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.